Today we are going to discuss again some problems on circles. I already told you in the previous episodes, circle is the very important chapter and it plays vital role in the 2B examination. So, you have to concentrate more on this topic also. Today we discuss some more long answer type questions. Okay. Now, let us move to the 8th question. Show that the circles x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 and one more circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0 touch each other. Touch each other. Touch each other. Find the point of contact. Point of contact and the equation of the common tangent at their point of contact. Point of contact at their point of contact. Now, you might be noted this problem in your notebook. So, let me repeat the question first. Here the equations of the two circles are given and we have to prove that they touch each other. They touch each other means they may touch internally or they may touch externally. That is very important point we have to keep in our mind. The next, the point of contact we have to find out. As they touch each other, definitely the two circles touch at one point. That point is called point of contact. That point of contact we have to find out. That is second. The third one, next one is what we have to find out means common tangent to these two circles we have to find out. If they touch externally or internally, the equation to the common tangent to both the circles is given by the formula s minus s dash is equal to 0. So, that is why first of all let us suppose the given circles be, the first circle is s is equal to 0, second circle is s dash is equal to 0. So, first we have to find out center of the first circle and center of the second circle, radius of the first circle, radius of the second circle. Then after that we have to find out distance between their centers. So, we have to distance between the centers and R1, R2 with the radii, then we have to see the relation. If R1 plus R2 is equal to C1, C2 bar, for example, where C1, C2 are the centers, then we say that they touch externally. If modulus of R1 minus R2 is equal to absolute numerical value of the difference of R1 and R2 is same as the distance between their centers, then we say that they touch internally. Okay? So, let us proceed our problem. Shall we proceed? Okay. Let the given circles, let the circles be S is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. I already told you second circle is obvious. This is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 equals to 0. You need not worry, they are in standard form itself only, sorry, they are in general form itself only. So, directly write center of the first circle is minus g comma minus f, that is half of this one 3 comma 1. Center of the second circle C2 is equal to, say, this is minus 1 comma 4, half of this one is 1 and minus g minus 1, half of this one is minus 4, minus of minus plus 4. You will get practice by doing several problems. Next, radius R1 is given by root of 9 plus 1 g square plus f square minus c formula. Here minus 1, the plus 1 minus 1 cancel, root 9 is 3, R2 is root over 1 plus 16 minus 13, 17 minus 13 is root 4, this is 2. Now, we have to find out distance between the centers. So, let us find out distance between C1 and C2, that is given by C1 C2, that means length of the line segment joining C1 and C2, that is given by root of, so minus 1 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. See, check it, this is minus 4 square plus 3 square. This is root over 16 plus 9 root over 25, which is equal to 5. Now, we have to establish relation between C1 C2 bar and R1 and R2. So, now you find out R1 plus R2, you check it. R1 plus R2 means 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5, that is nothing but C1 C2 bar. Now, how do you interpret? If R1 plus R2 is equal to distance between the two centers of the circles, then we say that the two circles touch each other externally. So, that means S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 touch each other externally. Now, we can draw the figure. So, what is the bigger circle, what is the smaller circle, we have to determine here. Radius is 3, it is obvious, it is the first one is bigger, second one is smaller. So, you get a circle like this, this is the second circle, S is equal to 0, this is S dash is equal to 0. This is called line of centers, say C1, this is C2, whereas C1 is equal to 3 comma 1, whereas C2 is minus 1 comma 4. It is a point of contact P. This will be the common tangent. This is tangent. Okay. So, now first let us find out point of contact. So, let P be the point of contact, point of contact, point of contact. See, P divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2. P divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally, not externally. From figure we can observe P lies in between C1 and C2. So, that means now P of x comma y is equal to given by the formula R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2, R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2. This formula we have to remember. Now, replace respective values. R1 means 3, R2 means 2. So, this is equal to 3 multiplied by x2 is minus 1 plus R2 is 2 multiplied by 3 by 3 plus 2. Okay, understood. Now, R1 is 3, whereas y2 is 4 plus 2 into y1 is 1 by 3 plus 2. So, this equals to minus 3 plus 6 by 5. This is equal to 12 plus 2 by 5. This is 3 by 5 comma 24 by 5. This is the point of contact. Okay, understood? I hope you might have understood this problem. Now, what we have to find out next? Equation to the common tangent we have to find out. Okay. The equation to the common tangent is given by s minus s dash is equal to 0 or s dash minus s is equal to 0, both are same. That implies x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 and minus x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 equal to 0. Let us make it simplify. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 minus x square minus y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 13 equals to 0. X square cancel, y square cancel. This is minus 8x, this is minus 8x and plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Shall we take out minus 2 common? Yes, minus 2 common. You get 4x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, 4x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0 by minus 2 is 0. This is the required equation to the common tangent. So, dear students, have you followed this method? Okay, I think so you might be noting down all these things.